Hey everyone, welcome back to Card Magic 101. Today we're going to be going over a really easy card trick that gets really good reactions. It's quick to learn, there's really no sleight of hand, it's just one little super easy to learn thing. You can probably learn it in about like 5 or 10 minutes. But yeah, with that being said, let's jump into the trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap into the spectator's intuition. So what I'll do is I'm going to start dealing down cards, and whenever they say stop, I'm going to set the card that they say to the side. So we'll just start going through, and let's say that the spectator says stop now. So I'll take that first card and set it to the side. Keep going through, and just whatever they want, they can say stop. We'll take the next one, put it down. We'll keep going through. They'll do it 2 more times. They say stop. And last time through, they say stop. So the spectator could have stopped wherever they liked. They went through a large portion of the deck in 4 different places, but they stopped on these 4 cards. And these 4 cards are the 4 aces. So, yeah, that's the trick, guys. It's super easy, and now let's jump into the tutorial. Alright, guys, that was the performance, and now let's jump into the tutorial. So, this is a really easy trick, and the setup is super easy as well. The only thing you have to do for the setup is just take the 4 aces and put them on the bottom. And then that's it. You're ready to go. So what you can do, you can even do a shuffle, but you just have to make sure that you put down the 4 aces before you shuffle anymore. You can also do false cuts and false shuffles, whatever you like. I didn't do any in the performance, but you can if you want. So what you do is, as you're explaining what's gonna happen, you want to tilt the cards to the side like this, and then you're gonna take a small packet of the cards and push them over like that. So you've got these cards, and then you have the cards that have the aces. And if you hold the deck like this, no one's ever going to see that. You just have to make sure that you kind of cover that motion with explaining and whatnot, just to slide that over to the side. In the performance, I probably slid over too many cards. You really don't need that many. Just maybe that's about 10 cards or so. That's probably the right amount to do. So what you do is you're going to start dealing from this pile until they say stop. Whenever they say stop, you're gonna grab from this pile the first card, and then you'll just keep going through. Then they'll say stop, take the next ace. They'll say stop again, and you'll take from this pile one more again, and then one more time they're going through, and they'll say stop, and you'll take that card. So all you've done is you've just made it appear that they're taking 4 cards from 4 different spots in the deck, but you're really just, in a way, forcing the bottom 4 cards that are the 4 aces. So yeah, that's the trick, guys. It's super easy, really easy to learn. You can learn in a couple minutes. It's a really great trick, though. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to be buying some more decks of cards to use in videos once I hit 50 subscribers. So go ahead and get us to that milestone. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, that's all I got. Comment down below what content you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.